Welcome, guys. Myself, Dr. Ravi Hirani. I'm basically from Jalgaon, Maharashtra, a small town.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Let's say my requirement is you have to add filter option
Can I
to all the
request gentlemen to just
and
mute
it's the
yourselves,
automatic test.
and when
You
you're
have to
speaking,
fill
kindly
that.
unmute or put it on chat. है ना? सब लोग को request है. Thank you.
I am into the market
People
since
is required.
2007, 2008. Till 2018, it was always a loss-making trade, and on and off. I was from the market. And 2018, I got serious. I got good coachings from the various mentors. And from the Algo Convention 2019, I become a very serious trader, system trader basically. And last 6 months, I'm actively working into the COVID. Okay. And since starting of COVID from 22nd of March, the COVID started in India almost on the 9th of March. Okay.
So when was your first experience like? मतलब जहाँ आपको where you sensed कि कुछ हो सकता है बड़ा या कुछ normal से
It
अलग?
was probably in third week of April where we apprehended this is something unusual, which is going to affect across the country. And we were only few guys which we know and which we used to discuss that this is something disaster which can happen to our health system across the India. Because if you compare the health system across India, we are on the 136th rank as per to the privatization of the government institutes. Medically, more or less, we are into the in the hands of private medical doctors.
So doctor, I know you, we know, some of us know you, but for the benefit of all the audience, right? Quickly to give you a brief, my name is Vivek. I am an independent trader, system trader, and co-founder of a couple of startups in fintech. And I'm co-founder of Algo Convention, and trading to me is life. Dr. Saab, please give a brief about yourself and then take on for the.
Basically, I'm practicing medical science since 2003-4 and actively into the market since 2018. Okay, so till now many of us हमारे बीच में से काफी लोग हैं अब जो कोविड को अच्छे से जान चुके हैं. We know what is COVID. Government over the period of last 6 months had developed all the SOPs from the various sectors. Means medically there are SOPs like two travels के SOPs हैं. Markets के जो retail market के उसके SOPs आगे. Government slowly unlocking the life. Okay. So what are the learnings from the COVID from the market perspective? First, let me explain the COVID. Okay, what is COVID in a brief 5 to 10 minutes? I'll explain. Basically, COVID is a viral pneumonia. Okay, which is very contagious in nature, and it is highly, it affects the mainly high-risk people above the 50 who are diabetic, who are hypertensive, who have cardiac problem, who are neurological, who have cancer, or the people who are with a low immunity. How the COVID represents, what are the signs and symptoms? Initially, it is the throat pain, body ache, fever, headache, and if it is ignored, then comes the cough and difficulty in breathing. So this is how the COVID appears. We say in our medical terms that early detection of the COVID is very important. If anybody has these kind of symptoms, okay, so what should be done? Just go and check the COVID. If it is okay, then you are all right within 10 to 15 days.
Is it as deadly as people are really fearing it about?
I'll come to that. See, COVID we can divide into the 4 parts. Group can be divided into 4. First are asymptomatic, even though patient is COVID, but he has no symptoms. These are the high-risk people of COVID positive patients. What are the high-risk people? These are the people who were coming in the contact of a COVID patient, COVID positive, like family members, friends. Okay, one thing. Second is mild, means only 2 to 3 days a patient has a fever, cough, and difficulty in breathing, but okay, fine, he'll be all right on the 4th or 5th day. That is mild category. Moderate and severe. These are the people who have ignored the COVID in initial days and later on they develop the complications. 80 to 85% of the people are coming into the asymptomatic and mild. Okay. And 15 to 20% are people who are moderate and severe kind of people. These are the 4 categories. So majority, if you are diagnosed COVID in initial stages, chances that you will remain in a 85% of people, where home isolation or slight medication will help you to get rid of them. Now, I think one. Okay, fine. Now, see, government has very clearly defined the level of health as far as the medical management is concerned. One is COVID care center, where asymptomatic and mild patients are being treated. Okay. Second, moderate patients are being treated in dedicated COVID health centers, that is DCHC. First is CCC, that is COVID Care Center. Second is DCHC, Dedicated COVID Health Center. And third is DCH, Dedicated COVID Hospital. See, severe cases should be admitted in DCH. Okay.
Right.
It is not necessary that all the patients should be admitted to the DCH. So that is the panic, because anybody जो positive आया उसको लगता है कि मैंने hospital जाना चाहिए. First evaluate yourself कि whether I am asymptomatic, whether I am in a mild, moderate or severe. If you are in a first 3 categories, that is asymptomatic, mild and moderate, no need to be hospitalized. You need a isolation center where a proper medical management is concerned. Okay, that is CCC in our terms, COVID Care Center.
Right.
Now, since 2 months or 3 months, the private players has come into the picture. Till now, this whole burden was on the government. Everybody was looking to the government. But we are almost हम 130 crore लोग हैं. So government cannot do standalone can't help these kind of pandemics. They need private players to become. So same kind of level of hospitals, CCC, DCHC, DCH are being opened by the private players.
Right.
But COVID being a pandemic, the whole control of the management of the database is being managed by a central application, which is being governed by the central government of India.
Sure.
Okay. So this is how the COVID is basically.
Right. Now, how did you get into, one is some interesting things about you, right? You are a Vipassana meditator. You are a cyclist. You are a system trader. You are a doctor. And you're a great human being, right? How do you manage to do all this together?
See, basically, when initially, like we in a market, we say that market is uncertain. Okay. So same is the COVID is uncertain. You need to understand the COVID. So basically when it started, Vipassana and cycling is a part of life. Okay, early morning means by 4:50 or 5 o'clock, I usually do a Vipassana for an hour. That is a kind of mental health which is required to strengthen whole the day energy. And cycling is a part of life since 3-4 years. I'm usually doing running, cycling, swimming, all these things. And being a doctor since April, we thought now it is our medical emergency. We should get into it. And since 5 months, almost I'm into the COVID for almost 5 months. Usually, daily basis, I'm dealing 12 to 16 hours job. Being a government servant and being a private practitioner.
It's not a job, doctor. I mean, you are. It's it's beyond your call of duty. You know, it's.
Yes,
I
yes.
think that's what moved me when we were talking, and you told that you've not gone home for so many days
Yes,
a
yes.
stretch.
Initially, almost 3 to 4 months, I have not seen my family, not my kids, even not my mother. But okay, fine. This is kind of work we have to do because this is pandemic. Once in an era, it happens. So we are fortunate that we are serving to the people. You
Sure,
know.
sure. I agree. I
Yeah.
agree.
So what are my learnings from the COVID from the market perspective? That I'll share
Can you
because
share a little bit about your Reliance? You're known as the king of the Mota Bhai, right? Reliance King. Share a little
yes.
bit about your journey for people's benefit and then link it, please. Yeah.
Basically, when one thing came into the mind, one of my mentor, Mr. Amit Gulecha, he usually always tells me, try to be a specialized in one or two things that is enough for lifetime.
True, true.
So while looking the charts, I went into the Reliance and I found that this is something unique, you know. From the previous database, if you see, I don't think that on month basis, Reliance has given 10% move on downside across the history, if you have seen. Okay. I am being a conservative trader. I am not a very aggressive. So I thought let us create some system with regards to only Reliance, whether I can trade with that system. So it was a very simple system which I developed, and from that day, Reliance is one of my pet, I can say.
Doctor, you bring across a very, very important point here. And I'm just trying to relate it a bit to something which is happening, which we are all seeing. I don't know if some of you have read about something which is going on with Anugrah stockbroking that has happened here. And one of the, they were running a model from what I hear where they had studied historically and said something like that never happened. And, after the fall, apparently, then what I hear is when they they thought that now market will not go up as much because it's going to fall and remain low, and market went up a lot, and then they had to, apparently that's what I've heard. And there are various things still coming out in we are hearing from various things. A lot of people have got a lot of their hard earned money sort of stuck into this. So what do you think about trying to take this past data, see a pattern, and how do you protect? What if this goes, like, what if Reliance falls more than 10% in the past? Then how do you take care of model like that? Like COVID happened, right? I mean, none of us knew this pandemic of this scale is going
Say,
to happen.
say. Basically, when you are into the market, what I have learned, the first thing you have to take care is a risk. Okay, if you can manage the risk, you can manage everything. So from that perspective, Reliance is a very safely bet, I can say.
Sure.
Okay, so that protects, always give you on downside, it always protects your capital basically. So this was a basic thought idea. So and the journey started since 2000, I think so 18, 19, man, I'm trading only few instruments and major composition is of only Reliance.
Yes, we
Yes.
know.
So let us. I'll glad to share that I bought Reliance almost at a low point of the time in pre-COVID era. This fall when it happens,
Were you in
Reliance
the
came.
hospital on your mobile or something, or what?
No,
How-
I just means मैंने मेरे दोस्त को बोल के रखा था कि ये रेट आएगा तो ये बिल्कुल बाई कर लेना और ये स्टॉप लॉस लगा के जिंदगी भर भूल जाना एंड दैट स्टॉप
Superb,
लॉस नेवर ट्रिगर्स
superb. You know what? So there's this thing about Rakesh ji. I've heard Rakesh Jhunjhunwala.
यस
बजट का एक बार लो बन रहा था कभी तो 2018 में, राइट, गिर रहा था मार्केट 6800 तक निफ्टी आ गया था, काफी अनसर्टेनिटी, डाउन ट्रेंड था। राकेश जी का मैंने सोई सुना, बोला कि भैया मेरा यहाँ तेजी जब थोड़ा मार्केट ऊपर लगने लग गया, बाय कर दिया, स्टॉप लॉस डाल दिया और बोला भाई भाई अब मेरे को फोन मत करना, सॉर्ट ऑफ, राइट, मतलब छोड़
यस
दिया अभी। और वो
Yes,
stop loss
yes,
शायद
yes.
कभी आया नहीं, आज 3
कभी आया
दो
नहीं.
साल हो गया. Brilliant.
So let us discuss something. How I relate the COVID with the market. I have jotted down some points which
Sure.
are very uh, you know being a trader, being into the market, I have learned various things. So I can relate those things into the real life and some real life learning to the markets. It's a both way journey, I can say. So let us start that when the COVID came, so everybody was uncertain, including the government, including the every doctor, private. Everybody was uncertain. Key, what is this and how to manage? Okay, so in our COVID terms, we say that you cannot predict the course of COVID. Means patient will stay in a hospital for say 10 days or 15 days, but every next morning, if it is a severe and moderate case, it will present something new which you don't know and you have to manage.
So like how you would check MTM every day and mark your position to market.
Exactly, exactly. So same thing. You don't know tomorrow what will happen into the market. Overnight, there can be something news like अपने यहाँ चाइना में कुछ हो गया, यूएस में कुछ हो गया, and something happens and 9-15 week के तुम कि अच्छा ऐसा कुछ है. Like this, the COVID is uncertain and market is uncertain. Okay. In our medical terms, we always use a dictum, which has been very ancient. That is, prevention is always better than cure. So, what are the prevention in the market and what are the prevention in the COVID? We have been introduced into the term which I usually call is a SMS.
I
Okay.
remember that.
Yeah. Okay. That's SMS stand for S is for social distancing, M is for mask, and S is for sanitizer. These are the three new things, which have been introduced in our life post-COVID. After COVID, we come to know that this kind of prevention will help you for COVID. Okay. So, if you don't follow the SMS, chances that COVID will come to you. Which is government जो आपको रिंगटोन रोज सुनाती है यही सुना रही है. 2 गज की दूरी रखो, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग रखो, मास्क पहनो और आधे घंटे में हाथ धो. These are the prevention. Otherwise, what will happen if you don't follow these uh, prevention measures? Chances that risk of being exposed to the COVID is very high. So some dictums in the market same way. If you don't follow the money management, if you don't follow the position sizing, if you don't follow the risk management, chances that you are prone for more risk. Okay, so this is the something which is new learning for me. Now for prevention to follow this SMS, you need a very hardcore discipline. Okay, if you are not disciplined to follow the SMS, COVID will come to you. So discipline is very important in life, in market, in COVID. See, SMS is very simple and easy. Everybody knows SMS. Okay. So how many people follow this SMS?
Same way,
So
everyone knows stop loss डालना जरूरी है, but how many people actually put a stop loss?
yes. So see, not all the simple things are easy. What you need a discipline approach. So if you want to be success in the market, you need a discipline approach. Okay? हम लोग सुनते हैं ना, अरे यार रनिंग कर लो. It is very easy. It is very simple. Are we able to follow? वो डिसिप्लिन हमारे पास 365 दिन रहता है कि हम 1 जनवरी को लिख सकते हैं, लिख देते हैं फर्स्ट टू डू लिस्ट टू रिड्यूस द वेट. It is very simple, but are we following it with the discipline? That is very key. That is very important. So discipline in the COVID, discipline in the market will always help.
Doctor, how do you think psychology, what role it has in this in COVID and fighting COVID or dealing with
Yes,
COVID and
yes. That I'll basically come to the point. Okay. Now, from the this ancient time ना, हम मार्केट में कई विजार्ड से, कई हिस्ट्री से सुनते हैं ना कि आप रिस्क मैनेजमेंट फॉलो करो, आप मनी मैनेजमेंट फॉलो करो, आपकी पोजीशन सेलिंग ठीक होनी चाहिए, otherwise you will lose your sleep. Okay, if you don't follow the prevention rules in a COVID, because of you, your family member will lose sleep. So prevention is important. Now, we know that there are some high risk factors associated with the COVID. You need to understand those factors, like age above 50, 55, people with diabetes, people with hypertension. These are the comorbid people. So same way, you need to understand the nature of your stock you are trading. And along with nature, you always know what is the risk associated prior to the execution of the trade. Now you know these are the high risk people. So this is a risk associated. Same way, if you know what are the risks with your trade, how much capital you are deploying in a trade. Okay. So prior to the execution, we should always know that whether the market is volatile or non-volatile. नहीं तो हम लोग सुनते हैं ना, volatile market में भी option बेचो या खरीदो, non-volatile में भी option बेचो या खरीदो. This is not the nature. You should know the nature of the market. So same way, you should know the nature of the person who are being high risk people. So high risk is always important in a COVID. So same way, that terminology we can use in a COVID. Now this is all about the what I'm talking is a preventive part, how we have to prevent always. But it is not necessary कि आप prevention में ही जियोगे. कोरोना तो आएगा.
correct.
है ना? So there are many people that कि उनको या उनके नियर एंड डियर फ्रेंड्स को या रिलेटिव्स को या किसी को तो भी कोविड हुआ है. So as I told, you need to understand the COVID. There are 4 categories of people. There are 3 levels of health. Okay, same way. In a same way that we say that market remains in a trend for 15 to 20% of the time, and 80% of the time it is untrending. So same way, COVID 80 to 85% people are asymptomatic and mild, and remaining 50 to 20% they need some.
क्या कर रहा हूँ भाई लाइफ में? मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ लाइफ में?
Super.
Okay. And what you told is a role of psychology. Okay. Now अभी है ना, मान लीजिए किसी को कोविड हो गया है. So in May and June, what we used to say, these are the panic admissions. मेरे को कोविड हो गया, मेरे को हॉस्पिटल चाहिए. But slowly people get aware of it. कि नहीं, हर किसी को हॉस्पिटल नहीं जाना. गवर्नमेंट ने भी बोला कि you can at home, you can stay at home, you can do home quarantine. So you got to know the awareness, more into the awareness. Okay, and because of many people education, ये सब mass education की वजह से है ना, लोगों को पता चले कि COVID is not that much severe. Only some part of people, if we get care, उनका अपन ने care लिया, तो COVID is manageable in initial stages. Okay, तो साइकोलॉजी का सबसे बड़ा मेजर जो रोल है ना, वो आपको पॉजिटिविटी के लिए है. कि आपको कोविड हुआ है, मुझे पता है कि मुझे कोविड हुआ है, लेकिन am I in which category I am basically, whether I'm asymptomatic, mild, moderate. If you are in the first 2 categories, just with simple medications, just with simple positivity, if you are positive for more than 2 weeks, आप वहां से बाहर आ जाओगे. I have seen 103-year-old lady.
Wow.
Okay, she was in a hospital. We used to daily tell her that, "Amma, आपको मुझे घर जाना है." And she was the only lady. She used to say, "बेटा मेरे को यहाँ से जल्दी निकालो, मुझे रोज घर जाना है." Daily morning she used to say, "मुझे घर जाना है." And believe me, on 21st day, she went home.
Wow.
Okay, that was the magic of positivity. If you inculcate those positive ideas in your mind, then COVID, because it is, वो मैं आपको एक कहानी सुनाता हूँ यहाँ पे, मुझे एक छोटी सी कहानी है. एक जापान में आपको पता है कि अर्थक्वेक बहुत आते हैं.
जी
Okay.
जी जी.
तो जापान में एक अर्थक्वेक आया था और वहां पे बहुत अच्छा बड़ा अर्थक्वेक आया था. एक लेडी है ना, पिछले 24 घंटे से वो जो मलबा था ना, वहां से पत्थर हटा रही थी. एवरीबडी वाज क्रेश, एवरीथिंग वाज क्रेश, कुछ नहीं बचा था. ठीक है, वो 2 दिन हो गए, 3 दिन हो गए, शी सर्चिंग सर्चिंग सर्चिंग. तो वो लेडी को बोला कि अभी यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, आपको घर जाना है, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है. एंड स्टिल वो, उसने कुछ सुना नहीं, वो उसका काम करती रही. ऑलमोस्ट आफ्टर 7 days उसको उसका बेटा नीचे जिंदा मिला.
My God, wow.
ओके, तो वो लेडी को पूछा गया कि आपको कैसे पता चला कि यहाँ पे कोई जिंदा है. तो वो लेडी ने कहा था कि मैं मेरे बेटे को स्कूल जब छोड़ने आई थी, तब मैंने उसको बोला था, बेटा मैं तेरे को लेने आऊंगी. These are the, magic of words. If you
Beyond
think
logic.
that happens. Yes, you cannot correlate how it happens. There is nothing like how. So same thing with the market, same thing. We know na why this stock is. We know कि around us there is a COVID, but why market is making highs? No one knows.
No one knows.
But you have to, respect the price. You have to respect the market. Same way, you have to respect your feelings. If it is bound to happen, it will come to you by any means. That is nothing.
This feelings is a beautiful thing, doctor. I think it has invoked so many feelings.
Yes.
I mean, because across people, including me, I can share. I was in a bit of depressive state in early April, right? Just in the start, hearing all the news, the SMSs, the WhatsApps, and with world is going to come to an end and this kind. And then I just realized, like, let me start working and doing something. And I got into momentum.
Yes.
So that negativity is could hit a lot of people, even doctors I know. Like we were talking about how some colleagues of yours also being doctors, what challenges, how you all are dealing with psychology, because you're also human, right? End of the day.
Yes. Because many of our colleagues been found COVID positive. We were working together, and one of, fortunately, हम सब लोग ठीक हो गए, लेकिन उसमें से एक बंदा था, we couldn't save his life, which was very unfortunate event, which happens, but okay, fine, we have to deal with the life, and life should go on. Another thing which we usually say to the COVID patients, stay away from the media. Stay away from the media. Stay away from the social media. Why? We all know. Okay.
Why?
You don't know what is the authenticity of the news.
Sure. Yes.
Okay. And if it is depressing, the patient feels कि अभी जैसा आपने कहा, you have a feeling कि world is coming to the end. अगर patient को उसका moral अगर down हो गया, तो no medicine will work if he has lost the hope.
Yes.
Okay. So I strictly say to my patients, stay away from the media, stay away from the social media. Same way, we from a trading point of view, 9:15 से 3:30 सब बंद कर दो, चार्ट देखते रहो और ट्रेड करो.
Yeah, yeah,
है ना?
right. If
और
anyone
एक
from the audience has anything, any question, any comments quickly for a minute or two, and then we'll have a structured session. But अगर कुछ है तो please आप भी share कर सकते हैं. कोई feelings, कोई comments, please feel free. There's a question, Dr. Safar from Viraj. Doctor, what about the
okay,
antigen?
okay, okay.
Is it worth going for it or just practice?
Now, there are two kind of testing methods being applied in the India basically. One is RT-PCR and one is rapid antigen test. RT-PCR usually it takes in the metro cities it takes 8 to 12 hours, and in a 3-tier city like us it takes 24 to 36 hours. Okay, which is we should know the specificity and sensitivity of the test. And second is antigen test, that is rapid antigen test. Okay, rapid antigen test का result within minutes, 15-20 मिनट आधे घंटे में आ जाता है. Okay, so initial challenges was from government point of view that more number of RT-PCR tests were done, but there is a delaying of the result 6 to 12 hours, and meanwhile patient used to become bad. उसको COVID है कि नहीं वो पता नहीं चलता था. But since last 2-3 months, government has developed another tool which is rapid antigen. It is also a confirmatory test, okay, for a COVID. But कई बार ऐसा होता है कि specificity and perfection में जो है RT-PCR is more reliable than COVID. But once the RT-PCR antigen is positive, that means patient is positive, no doubt about it. But some cases are being reported where antigen is negative, but RT-PCR is positive. It may happen, but antigen is one of the confirmatory tools for the COVID, I can say. That's it.
There is a comment from Vinay, a really admirable and commendable spirit of Dr. Hirani. The medical fraternity is doing a great job. Thank you. And genuinely, I feel, I know Vinay, and he means what he says. I really feel and all the feelings from all of us,
Thank you.
what you all are doing for us.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
और एक चीज अपन इंडिया में जो सुनते हैं ना, मैं एक मेरा एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करता हूँ. वहां पे है ना मेरे काफी सारे रिलेटिव्स या फ्रेंड्स, those who are bit illiterate kind of people, what I say is कोविड कुछ नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है.
हाँ, we've heard a lot of this.
है ना? These are the boaster kind of people, what I say. But जब उनको होता है ना तब उनको पता चलता है कि कोविड कुछ है.
It's like saying, so COVID for me was a number till I shared with you that, my brother, he got detected a couple of months back and we saw it from close eyes.
Yes.
And how it affected our lives.
Yes.
That it was not a number anymore. And I don't honestly believe or care if someone says like, नहीं, जैसे market गिर रहा है. और अरे नहीं कुछ नहीं होने वाला, कुछ नहीं है, ऐसा फेक है, वही गिर रहा है यार, अपने को नहीं पता, वैसा ही है.
Yes. तो मैं उनको है ना मेरी भाषा में रिटेलर बोलता हूँ. They don't know and still they are talking. Okay. एक और जो मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, मेरा हमेशा का वो एक डिक्टम है, अर्ली डिटेक्शन, अर्ली ट्रीटमेंट इन अ कोविड, sure shot 100% outcome is a positive. Early detection. If you are having fever 2-3 days, don't wait. Get it checked whether it is COVID or not.
Can we say we're in a stock trend to see it start falling, and there's an early detection
Yes.
if I could say that there is a early detection that the stock is likely to fall,
Yes.
get
Yes.
out of
Yes.
this, and
Yes.
the stop loss is likely to hit. Don't
Definitely.
anticipate कि भाई
Yes. Yes.
और नहीं
Yes.
गिरेगा या गिर सकता है, क्या पता गिर जाए तो
Yes. Yes.
अपना सिग्नल आया
पता
एग्जिट का
नहीं
तो
ना।
निकल जाओ.
Get it out. आपके सिस्टम ने बोला आप निकल जाओ. Simple. Okay. Then मान लीजिए कि एक और चीज है कि लेट डायग्नोसिस, लेट ट्रीटमेंट, चांसेस ऑफ रिकवरी आर वेरी लेस. सेम वे आपका अगर ड्रॉडाउन बहुत ज्यादा है तो आपको पता है कि आपको अकाउंट जीरो पे लाने के लिए कितनी मशक्कत करनी पड़ेगी.
True, absolutely true.
Okay, so you should know the risk involved in a late diagnosis. तो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है कोविड में? आपको रिस्क. और मार्केट में तो वही है ना, आपको पता नहीं है कि आपके सामने कौन ट्रेड कर रहा है. यू डोंट नो, इट्स अ बैटलफील्ड, isn't it?
Sure.
एक और चीज जो हम लोग सुनते हैं, मोर्टेलिटी, नंबर ऑफ डेथ. ओके, I always say death is very painful, but it is one of the fact of the life. और हमारे मेडिकल टर्म में हमको फर्स्ट ईयर में सिखाया जाता है, here cadavers teaches the living. Means we became doctors, but who taught us those dead bodies? Okay, so इटली में जो हुआ ना कि उन्होंने पोस्ट मार्टम स्टडीज के बाद उनको पता चला कि कोविड इज नॉट रिलेटेड विद द लंग्स. ओके, इट इज समथिंग एल्स. It is something else. So slowly from the post-mortem studies, we come to know how the COVID affects lungs, how it affects the microcirculation, how it damages the kidneys, and finally it leads to the death. Okay. So those people who don't rely on stop loss in the market, they are bound to blow their account. And it happens. It is happening since centuries in the market. They say, na, marches remain the same. So risk is always important. You should calculate the risk. This is what my learning from the COVID is.
Wow, that's a key statement. Like, I mean, I'm sure you'll be saying you've said a lot of things that are value, but that's something I just will definitely take, and a lot of our audience people will take.
Yes. What is the takeaway message from the COVID? That after COVID, many people come to know कि boss, health is very important. हमको पहले भी पता था, है ना?
True.
But in a COVID, if you are physically fit and mentally fit, you are bound to survive.
That's a beautiful line, and that's so positive, because let's say I was going to just ask you, let's say there is a individual, average 39, 40 years of age or 35 years, non-smoker, non-drinker, stays normal. What is the probability of death of that person due to COVID? Additional?
Very less.
Very less. Right?
Young people, fortunately, mortality in India is very less. और भगवान की दया से हमने across the India, I can say, below 10 years of child, not even single mortality is being recorded.
Okay. That's
okay. और सेम वे मार्केट में हो आप, अगर आपकी फाइनेंशियल हेल्थ का ख्याल नहीं रखोगे, so it is of no use being in the market. In a COVID, you have to take care of your physical and mental health, and in a market, you have to take care of your financial health. So everywhere, health is very important.
Health is wealth. I think that statement's actual significance now has come out.
Yes. Yes, 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 yes.
Because
yes,
a lot of
yes.
people may have their tons of cars standing down and bungalows, and you can't go use all the cars. You can't go for a vacation the way you would otherwise have. And
We all here have experienced that millionaire people have died in a COVID, even though they were wealthy enough,
doesn't have
but
done
they
nothing.
were not physically fit.
Sure, sure, sure. Absolutely, absolutely.
Along with physical fitness, you need a mental fitness. वो आपको विपश्यना से, वो आपको मेडिटेशन से, वो आपको योगा से आएगी.
Yoga is a very, very important and recommended thing by some. In fact, when my brother had got that and it was a recovery stage, so he had been
Yes,
given
yes,
this
yes,
steroid because at one point he had
yes,
taken tocilizumab. So the doctor later told him, just do some yoga, do that. How
yes, yes.
important is that?
Because yoga is not about only the physical body movement. If you have concentrated and focused on your yoga steps, it relieves the mental anxiety, it relieves the mental stress, and it secretes the hormone called as serotonin, which is a happiness hormone.
Wow.
Okay, it gives you a sense of happiness from the inside.
Right, right.
ओके वो आपको कोई भी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी करेंगे, रनिंग, स्विमिंग, साइकिलिंग, वहां से आपको एंडोर्फिन और सीरोटोनिन, ये दो हार्मोन्स आपके रिलीज होंगे विच विल कीप्स यू फिट फ्रॉम मेंटल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. आपने देखा होगा यूसेन बोल्ट को, उसका फिजिकल फिटनेस के साथ में आना, उसका मेंटल फिटनेस अगर नहीं रहेगा ना, वो नहीं दौड़ पाएगा.
नहीं तोड़ पाएगा. It's a whole, the entire body, the physical and mental, and like that whole thing.
Yes, that's what now in our medical terms we are using the holistic approach. It is not only the body we have to treat, it is the mind we have to treat along with body.
That's interesting. That's interesting.
So in a market you have to be holistic. That
Yeah,
you should, that what I say is a holistic is what to buy, when to exit, how much to buy. This is the holistic approach of the market.
Experience with the system, how many trades you did, how many winning, losing trades, what is the reward risk or something.
Yes.
Live trading that you did.
Basically, basically there is a, which we all know, that Mark Douglas says there is a series of trade perspective. Even though you are losing some trade, but you have to stick with the system. You have to stick with the system like a robot, as if you have don't emotions, because you know the system will work over a period of time. Same thing which happens in a COVID. We know that 2 to 5% people are bound to be died who are represented, but still we have to stick with the treatment part.
Yes.
We have to follow the protocol.
Sure. That's so amazing. So amazing.
This is all from my perspective, and I request everybody, if you can prevent the COVID, just follow the SMS. Even if somebody from the family, somebody from the friends have been affected from the COVID, just be logical that where our patient is in which group, whether it is asymptomatic, mild, moderate, severe, where it should be get admitted, whether it is COVID care center or COVID health center or COVID hospital. Usually the fact in the India is less than 2 to 3% is mortality rate, 97% are, almost 75% is recovery rate, 22% are active cases, which is as compared to the other, nations. From the health index point of view, we are in a very good place. Government is doing wonderful job, and doctors are definitely working through and night, throughout the days, throughout the months. Support them, be positive, be calm. These all factors will definitely help you to remain healthy, and ultimately you will turn this health into the wealth. Thank you.
Beautiful. I mean, I'm so touched and so inspired, and the whole idea to start this series of talks is learn something, have a chat, have some fun, and talk to people who inspire. Right? That's my. So if you all felt inspired, right, by this, please type Y in the chat box. If you feel inspired, thanks, Raghavendra. Yes. It's really great. I mean, that's the exact idea, right? How can we spread the positivity? Yes. I see the replies coming in. Yes, yes, Rohan. Yes. Rohan has five. I love that. So many, yes, brilliant. So yeah, Puneet, thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks, Ankit. Yes. Great analogies. Viraj is saying for describing medicine and stock markets. Positive was a negative word this year, but doctor has made it positive again. Viraj, that's an absolutely very intelligent comment, right? So I always say, Dr. Saab, it's like wisdom of the crowds. A lot of times we generally, some people think like the collective power of retail, right? As a whole, the group,
Yes.
I mean,
Yes.
is so intelligent, right? I mean,
Yes.
in the sense where you don't want to argue or debate with a crowd, right? So Viraj, that's such a beautiful statement. I mean, I have a lot of my questions and doubts, although have been answered. If anyone from the audience has anything, please unmute yourselves and go ahead. Yeah, ask doctor whatever you want to. There's no question which is a bad question. I've asked him so many stupid things sometimes, but I feel it's okay. Just ask whatever or talk,
Hi,
share
Dr.
whatever.
Hirani, Vinay here.
Yeah.
Yeah, since Vivek was mentioning about your passion for Reliance and how you trade that, just wanted to get a few thoughts from you on Reliance. How do you see this currently? How it is doing after a super performance that the stock has given in the last few months, and it's now in a range. And in general, how did you get into just trading Reliance, and what about the stock uh, attracts you so much that you trade that so dedicatedly?
Basically, as I previously told, one of my mentor, Mr. Amit Gulecha sir, उन्होंने मुझे एक ही चीज हमेशा कही थी, रिलायंस को जमा करते रहो बच्चों के लिए.
Amit Bhai is a great trader and a great human being.
और from that day, even though I am trading the Reliance, but whatever amount of money I have been generated from the Reliance trade, I directly invest in the Reliance only. Okay, one thing. Second thing, why I chose the Reliance, one of the main reason, if you see the option chain of the Reliance, is the one of the most liquid option chain across the stocks, apart from the ITC. Second thing. So liquidity from the option point of view was a great. Third, I don't trade, I don't take more than 3% risk per trade in a Reliance. My risk is always calculated before betting into the Reliance. What I have developed is a system called as, everybody must be knowing, is a SAR, that always long is followed by a short and short is followed by a long. So I trade both the ways. The key factor is leveraging. I don't leverage more than 2x or 3x. I don't have I'm a very conservative trader, I used to say. So leveraging where I know I can control, manage the position accordingly. And from the by God grace, in this year, Reliance has given a very good move. Okay, from the lows, you might be knowing that it has almost double and 2.5x. From the trading investment point of view, I'm always bullish on the Reliance. I always love to buy on dips from the investing point of view. So I'm very much bullish on the Reliance per se. That's all.
Thank you. The leverage factor is, I think, the crux, the very, very important thing, like one of the very important pieces of the whole equation. And superb question, Vinay. Yaar. Superb question. I
Thank
know
you,
you
Dr.
yourself, I
Rani.
think, are pretty, you select some stocks based on an approach you built yourself, right?
Yeah, I myself like trading Reliance because I,
Right.
really like the chart structure and the movements are slightly more manageable. And being very liquid, it doesn't
Yeah.
give very random moves. Of course,
Sure. Sure. The
that's
liquidity
why.
is a great, great point as well. Brilliant. Yeah. Yeah. Uh,
I think so. It has been 1 hour. We are discussing many things,
yeah.
COVID and market. But it
Yeah.
is right. But when basically Vivek Bhai told me, कि, doctor, we have to do something like this. So I thought, कि, what are my learnings from the COVID? If I have been not in the COVID, the same way, आपको जैसा market में है ना, वैसा COVID में है. Everything is same.
I also remember Ed Psychota statement here when somebody asked him about the difference between trading and life. And he said, I don't know where one ends and the other begins.
Yes.
And so Ed is a system trader, great system trader. Yeah, he says like, I don't know where, I mean, it's so interdependent. It's so interdependent, so much related. I don't know. It's sometimes very,
Yes.
very, very surprising, to be honest.
सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है डिसिप्लिन. वो
Yeah.
मार्केट में नहीं रहेगा तो very difficult. Same is with the COVID. Discipline, it should be part of your life.
Interestingly, I've been speaking to some traders like you and some other traders, and most of them are just saying that their method is very simple. Actually, it's not, the method is not very, very complex, but it's about how to manage the risk, how to keep the leverage in check, how to follow the system with discipline, how to not give up, not lose hope, be
Yes.
positive. I think you've just
Yes.
summed it up, the whole experience so beautifully. Somain is saying, being a system trader, if I get 7 to 8 losses, how to cope that mental tension, even though I have back tested and know it will do well? What a question, Somain. Hats off for raising that. Doctor, all yours.
Basically, if you have back tested your system and you know that accuracy of your system is 40% or 50%, okay, and from your past back tested result, you know that system has generated the alpha. So even though you have 7 to 8 losses in a series, it is bound to create some kind of mental anxiety and mental tension or mental stress. But it is your approach to the system, your approach to the market will define how you are going to be ahead of this. Because that my system has generated, risk is always a part. Suppose risk is one, risk to reward is 1:2, 2.5 or 1:3, even though you are losing at times, okay, but once the market is trending, okay, you are now going to, आप ये सब drawdown को pass on कर लोगे. Likewise, nowadays Nifty is in a range bound. Trend following trader like me is losing. Everybody, those who have जिसके पास मीन रिवर्जन की स्ट्रैटेजी है, जो ट्रेंड फॉलो के अलावा भी ट्रेड करता है, उसका पैसा बनेगा. बट वंस द ट्रेंड इज देयर, वी नो कि बस ट्रेंड आया ना, ये सब लॉसेस कवर हो जाएंगे. योर अप्रोच टू द मार्केट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ड्यूरिंग दिस मेंटल टेंशन, बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर हिटिंग अगेंस्ट द वॉल, you should not take the decision, your system should take the decision.
Doctor, would you say your leverage has an important role to play? That if you're less leveraged at such times, you are less pressured?
One of the reason being that people under capital, people with high leverage, okay, they are bound to create some kind of decision which is going against them. So leveraging and capital, these two things will definitely will help you to create a better and sound sleep.
Thanks, Somin. Somin is thanking you, doctor. Thank you,
Yeah,
Somin.
thank you. Thank
Thanks
you so
for
much.
raising this question, Somin. Actually, it's we are all talking about return, but nobody talks about risk. So, and that's the main thing. Yeah. So, if there are no more, I mean, you can always, kind of contact Dr. Hirani approach him through Twitter. He's quite active there. I'm sure he's in the war zone right now. You can see his smiling face, but I'm sure he's already dealing with, some of the, I'm sure any things even like important which are coming to him on his phone or something about maybe some patient he has to deal with and things like that, right? So I mean, it's great that you doctor you did this, you agreed to do this. मजा आ गया, मतलब मुझे तो मजा आ गया और आई थिंक लोगों को भी बहुत मजा आया. उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको मजा. अच्छा, अविरल का एक
One more question. I think Aviral has
question is,
asked.
how do you manage overnight risk? Do you trade in futures or options?
Basically, I trade in futures. I don't trade in options.
Raghavendra has the same question. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. The important point from my perspective is money management leveraging, because overnight risk no one can manage. Okay. We have seen upper circuit, we have seen lower circuit overnight. That is
can
risk.
Give an example, sorry, just for many for audience. Let's say you're using, for example, 10 lakh capital example. How many lots are you taking or something like that? Can you explain with that perspective or something?
If I have a capital of 10 lakh rupees, I won't trade more than 2 future lots at given point of time.
Which is an exposure, let's say 22 lakhs, because Reliance one lot is, let us say, around, okay,
Almost 10 lakh
brilliant,
rupees.
brilliant. 2 lots long, and tomorrow it gaps down, how do you up?
Hello.
Yeah, maybe I was breaking up, so I'll just repeat.
Yeah.
Can you hear me now? Yeah. So
Yeah,
how do you
yeah.
manage the overnight risk? Now, suppose you are short 2 lots and tomorrow it gaps. How do you deal with that in the night? Do you feel anxious about it? Or have you felt
No,
anxious, or have you done something
See,
different to deal with it?
basically, I trade on higher time frame basically. Okay. So I know that everything is pre-decided as per the system. I don't use my mind, which I don't have. System has mind, system will work. Okay. Even though the trade is against me, I know. But okay, fine. That is a loss-making trade, and get out of it with your respective time frame, and just change the position according to the market. That it may happen that I may lose 5% of the capital or 7 to 8% of the capital. Okay, but that's fine. That's fine. I know, because over period of time, system. Yes, over period of time, system will generate all this. But it is always a risk which is associated overnight with everyone, not with me. If you are carrying the futures.
Ever thought about using options as a hedge to hedge the overnight risk or something? Or is it worth, or or is it not worth?
I don't hedge. I don't hedge. Usually I don't hedge.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Okay, so
let us tell goodbye to everyone. I need to go. It's 5 o'clock.
Sure. I mean, pleasure, doctor, having you. I mean, from all of us, best wishes, namaste, pranam.
Thank you. Thank you.
मतलब बहुत ही मजा आया, और ये recording available होगी. Thank you, Vinay. This will be available, and you can follow doctor on Twitter. His handle is at
Ravi Hirani.
Ravi Hirani at the Ravi Hirani. Okay, we'll not hold you back anymore. Go on, and all power to you. All power to you, doctor.
Thank you. Thank
you.
you. Thank you.
Thank you.
everyone.
Thanks, audience.
Thank you.
Thank
Yeah,
you so much.
Thank you.
Stay safe.
Thank you, everyone.
SMS. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.